Hi, what's up you guys? It's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, back again with more Financial Fridays. So today we're going to talk about more savings and what you guys can do to start saving. So we are going to talk about Fetch Rewards. It's definitely a low-key app because I feel like no one really knows about it except for, the people that are actually using it. So I'm hoping to spread this type of news for you guys so you guys can start earning rewards from your receipts. So I'm going to show you guys how really quickly, but before we start, I also want to remind you guys to please hit that like and subscribe button, definitely follow the channel, and then also follow me on Instagram and on my Facebook page, all at Justin Too Fast for you. I really would appreciate it. It puts my channel out there, it helps out the YouTube algorithm, and it also helps you find out things that you would like to see more of. For example, like more financial savings and all those type of things. So, let's get straight into it. So we're going to start by opening up our app. So I know you guys won't be able to see it on my phone, so I'm going to help out with you guys. So watch this. We got Fetch Rewards. It's going to load up real quick. And then as you can see, I already have 2,692 points. And then there are a bunch of brands that you get bonus points on. And then there's definitely categories. And you'll see the most recent ones that are like, high-end points. So the more points you get, you can click here. And then you can see there are different kind of gift cards you can get: Starbucks, Target, CVS, and Amazon. So I'll show you guys, for example, here on Amazon, for 3,500 points, you can get a $3 Amazon gift card. There are definitely more gift cards that are out there, so you can go up to 5,000, 10,000, and then 50,000, and then I'll show you guys what 50,000 is. So here you go, you see Red. Let's see, I don't really use any of these stores. There's Adidas, Advanced Auto Parts, Airbnb, so it definitely goes to a bunch of different brands. So you guys can play along with this while you guys open the app. So I'm going to show you guys how you start earning rewards. So going over here all the way to the main page, then you'll go Discover, and then you'll see on the bottom right, you'll see a camera. So all you're going to do is tap it, opens up your camera. Obviously you got to let the app access your camera, so you'll see that pop up, it comes up there. Then we're going to go here. So for example, on this week I went to get some gas. And all you're going to do is just hit the click, submit, and then you'll give it a second. And then bam, got 25 points for, going to the gas station. And the cool part is you don't have to spend like X amount of dollars in order to get these points. You can spend probably $5 and then earn the same amount of points. It just depends on, what you're paying. And then we're also going to do another one. You can do this with any kind of receipts. So it really doesn't matter where you're buying. It accesses all kinds of receipts, and then sometimes you may have to input the day, the time, and then how much you cost, because sometimes the receipts, I know, gets crumpled every so often, but they are pretty lenient, and if in that case scenario, it may take a couple more days just because the app won't be able to read it, but you'll eventually earn your reports and your earnings. But also be wary, because after 2 weeks after you buy a purchase, the receipt is not valid anymore for the app, so you definitely just want to scan the receipt as soon as you get it. So just for example, that was a gas station. Now we're going to do a Jewel Osco. So again, just going to open it. And then this one's a little longer, so go a little further back. Bam. Submit. And there you go, earned another 25 points. So these points do not expire. You can use these as long as you want to add up to. So what I'm saving for is Amazon. Let's see what else we got. Amazon, Target, Starbucks, Dunkin'. Saving up for those kind of gift cards. And obviously, the more points you have, the more money you'll get. But I hope you guys found this little quick app really useful for you guys. I hope you guys use that, because I'll put my referral code down in the description below so you guys can earn bonus points after you scan your first receipt. It is a free app, so you don't have to worry about paying for anything. So it's just a nice fun way to earn more money and rewards based on what the purchases you are buying. So definitely check that out. Hit the like and subscribe button like I mentioned before, and definitely follow the channel, because I really hope you find these videos insightful. But it's your boy Justin Too Fast for you, so try to keep up. Hi, deuces. Okay.